Okay, so here's the hot clunking noise that I was hearing. Vas-y, vie. Tranquillement, là. Ouais, vie. Vie. De l'autre bord, ouais. Qui est vide de l'autre côté, hein. Seems to be coming from the top. I can see the spring unleashing tension. Vire vite vers. Yeah, we can see it. Dernière fois. Ok, c'est bon. So it seems to be coming from the top of the spring. Is it the spring seeds bearing in there? Maybe you guys can help me out. It doesn't seem to be coming from the bottom at all. It really seems to be coming from up there, and we can see the spring like clunk 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 when it turns. I hope I got that on video. Yup, so any help is greatly appreciated. Thank you.